I came to a course, a lithography course in the 90s. I thought, I'm going to do something here at the print studio, but I wasn't formally trained as a printmaker. I've got lots of material like these automatic drawings that I do and bits of things that I collect that I like because of their colour or because of their shape or because of the type of material that it is. And Fragments is the title, although I didn't really want to give it a title. That print came because I had a batch of drawings that I had made over time and bits and pieces that I had collected, like that one was a sweetie paper. The sweetie papers come off violet creams and rose creams, I think it was. There was a couple of colours in the sweetie papers that I quite liked. I toyed with the idea of doing a pink one and a violet one. I wanted to make the print look one. You know, sometimes at night I kind of sit and I'll flick through my sketchbook, take the bits and pieces that I've got and I think place them against certain drawings. And I thought, oh, that might look good to print up. What do I do? Do I replicate exactly the colour, or do I go for just a hint of colour? And I thought, no, just go for a hint of colour and merge it all together. It was quite a simple, print. It wasn't a lot of layers on it.